Hey guys, Sarah here coming on to review this Black+Decker Dustbuster swivel. We've had it for about 3 months and we really love it. It works really good. I love the fact that it's very easy to charge, very easy to empty. I'm going to go and definitely show you how it works. This is the box that came in. Alright, I have some dirt over here and here it is. I love it so much. It's super easy to use. This button right here is how you would clean it. You pop that and it opens and you can empty it out. There's a filter in there. You can already see there I cleaned some of the dirt up already. Alright. Love it. The top right there can extend. Here's the bottom of it. It does come with a charger. It's right here. It's really easy to charge. Just pop it right in like that, and as you can see, the light is on and it is charging, but it just makes cleaning up so much easier. If you need to vacuum steps, little corners, so easy, works great. I love it. All right, so here's the dirt right here. All right, for my plant, I'm going to go ahead and turn the power button on right there. Okay. And look how fast it works. Guys, there you have it. If you need a handheld vacuum, definitely check this one out. It works really good. Let me put it down here real quick and show you. Up here can extend. If I can get it with one hand, I don't know if I can. But as you can see, that's how big it extends. Has a little brush attachment right here. You can also move up and that's down and clip it like that. Such a neat little vacuum. I love it. Highly recommend it. I love these little vacuums. So yeah guys, check it out and happy shopping.